For our next game, I'm going to need the following actors. I'm going to need Angelica, Bibay, and Thea. They will act out a scene as 3 different characters. And then when they hear this sound, ding, they need to switch characters within the scene. If they hear this sound, change actors ang mangyayari. But the same characters will remain. So if these actors hear the bell, they have to switch characters within the scene as well. Can I have a very unique characteristic of your bully back in school?
Wow.
Grabe yung pangit.
Mas maliit daw sa kanya.
Mas maliit sa kanya. All right, we're going to do a scene inspired by that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Switch Change.
Cassie, hindi ka mukhang dragon.
Hi guys, sorry I'm late. Ang sikip naman dito sa chair. Haba kasi ng legs ko eh.
Hay nako, hindi ka bagay dito.
Sobra tong bully na to, no? Akala mo naman kung sino. Alam mo, Jennifer, huwag kang bully kasi after 10 years, hindi namin makakalimutan to ni Kami.
Diba, Kami? We will never forget this
Bully, ha?
bully.
Oo nga.
At saka, pag matanda na tayo, mayaman kami, ikaw poor na.
Eh, sino bang nagbabayad ng scholarship ninyo?
Eh, di ba ang tatay ko?
Ano? Ang hirap sa inyo. Tinatry nyo akong talunin, pero ako pa rin dito ang the best.
Ikaw nga ang the best, pero ikaw naman ang pinakamaliit sa amin. Huwag niyo inaasal yung height ko, okay? Nag-cherry pa ako!
5 mm every day!
Ngayon, alam na namin kung paano ka gantihan.
Ay, di ba lang?
Hindi mo na kami maaasar ni Kami.
Kahit mayaman ka, mas matangkad pa rin kami dahil yung
Mayaman kong tatay ay empleyado ang tatay mo.
Wala naman kayong pambili ng cherry fur.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Angelica, Bibay, Thea, Ding Dong, Chester, and Ariel.
Lang kwenta.
Oh, Spit Manila.